session 2 on integral solutions. First we will discuss with concepts. All the problems whatever we are doing, they are on PNC method. What is this method? How it helps us? Everything we will discuss. PNC method. First concept. One example. A plus B equivalent to 5. A comma B greater than or equivalent to 1. A plus B equivalent to 5. A comma B greater than or equivalent to 1. If variables are starting with 1, I am finding a natural number solution. I am finding the natural number solutions. Natural number solutions. If A, B are greater than or equivalent to 0, I am finding the whole number solutions. Whole number starts with 0. Natural numbers starts with 1. This should be extremely clear to you. A plus B equivalent to 5. AB greater than or equivalent to 1. Step number 1. If right hand side 5 is there, take 5 balls. Take 5 balls. If 5 balls are kept on a number line, how many gaps are there? There are total 4 gaps are there. There are total 4 gaps are there. If 5 balls are kept in a line, there are 4 gaps. If I select this gap, 1 ball plus 4 balls, it is nothing but one integral solution. Or if I select this gap, 2 plus 3, 5. Or if I select this one, 3 plus 2, 5. Or if I select this one, 4 plus 1. If 5 balls are kept in a number line, there are 4 gaps. Out of the 4 gaps, if I select any one gap, I will get one integral solution. Out of 4 gaps present between 5 balls, selecting any one gap. Out of 4 gaps, select any one. Select any one gap. 4C1. Select any one. It could be the first gap or the second gap or the third gap or the fourth gap. Every gap you select, you will get one integral solution. 1 plus 4 is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. And 4 plus 1 is 5. If 5 balls are kept in a number line, there are 4 gaps. Select any one. It is 4C1. Introductory question. I hope it is clear. Next one. Second question. I hope this idea is clear. Second question. Now, one by one we will discuss all the problems. Second one. A plus B equivalent to 18. A comma B greater than or equivalent to 1. A plus B equivalent to 18. A comma B greater than or equivalent to 1. If 18 balls are kept in a line, there are 17 gaps. 17 gaps, select any one. NC1 is nothing but N. NC1 is nothing but N. I hope it is clear. Just reduce the fan. 17C1. Idea clear? Third one. A plus B. Keep solving variety of questions. A plus B is 36. A and B are even natural numbers. A and B are even natural numbers. A plus B equivalent to 36. A and B are even natural numbers. Sound వస్తుంది అనుకుంటా ఆఫ్ చేయలేకుంటా. A plus B equivalent to 36. A and B are even natural numbers. Any even natural number is given by 2k1. A is 2k1, B is 2k2. So this is 2 into k1 plus k2 equivalent to 36. Even numbers start with 2. So k1, k2 greater than or equivalent to 1. So k1 plus k2 equivalent to 18. If 18 balls are kept in a number line, there are 17 gaps. Select any one. 17C1. I hope the idea is very clear to you. A plus B equivalent to 36. A and B are even natural numbers. Any even natural number can be written as 2k1 and 2k2. 2 into k1 plus k2 is 36. k1 plus k2 is 18. Answer is 17C1. Fourth one. Keep solving a lot of questions, sir. A plus B equivalent to 60. A and B are odd natural numbers. A and B are odd natural numbers. Any odd number can be written as 2k plus 1 or 2k minus 1. I will take 2k1 minus 1. Why? Because I want the variables to start with 1. Even if it start with 0, it will give you the answer. But we know the approach how to solve it when the variables are starting with 1. So here k1 and k2 are greater than or equivalent to 1. I want the variable to start with 1. 2k1 minus 1 plus 2k2 minus 1 is 60. So this is 2 into k1 plus k2. It is nothing but 62. So k1 plus k2 is 31. So if 31 balls are there, there are 30 spaces, select any one. 30 C1 is 30. I hope the idea is clear. Why am I making 2k1 minus 1, 2k2 minus 1? If I take 2k1 plus 1, 2k2 plus 1, the variable will start from 0. Still we have not discussed the approach. How to solve when the variables are starting with 0. So I am using k1, k2 greater than or equivalent to 1. Fifth question. Keep solving questions, sir. Keep solving questions, you will get an idea. At the end, this PNC method will be extremely clear to you. A plus B equivalent to 49. A and B are prime numbers. A and B are prime numbers. How many values A comma B will take? How many values A comma B will take? A plus B is 49, right? A and B are prime numbers. Suppose if I take A and B are odd prime numbers, if I take it as odd prime numbers, this will become odd plus odd. Odd plus odd, it is an even number. Odd plus odd, it is an even number. But 49 is an odd number. Right hand side odd is, it has to be even plus odd. Even plus odd only will give you odd. Even plus odd only will give you odd. So what is the lowest even number? 2. Next number is 47. 2 plus 47. So the only even prime values which will satisfy is 2 and 47. There cannot be any other value. Why? Because 49 is an odd number. Sum of two prime numbers should be odd. Sum of two prime numbers, if it is odd, one has to be even and another has to be odd. The lowest even number is nothing but 2. If it is 2, another will be 47. 2 plus 47 is 49. So the value is 2 comma 47. 2 comma 47. Sixth question. A plus B equivalent to 24. A plus B equivalent to 24. A and B are multiples of 3. Are multiples of 3. A and B are natural numbers. How many values A, B will take? How many values A, B will take? A and B are multiples of 3. So A is 3K1, B is 3K2. This will become K1 plus K2 is 8. If it is 8, answer will be 7C1. 7C1 is 7. 7C1, it is 7. Only for two variables we have discussed. A and B are natural numbers we discussed. Even numbers we discussed. Odd numbers we discussed. Prime numbers we discussed. Multiples we discussed. Now, seventh one. Let us take three numbers. Seventh question. A plus B plus C equivalent to 8. A, B, C are greater than or equivalent to 1. How many values A, B, C will take? A plus B plus C equivalent to 8. A, B, C are greater than or equivalent to 1. How many values A, B, C will take? If A plus B plus C is equivalent to 8, 8 means there are 8 balls. There are 8 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 7 gaps in between them. There are 7 gaps in between them. Out of 7 gaps, for the previous two variables, 1 cut is required. For two variables, 1 cut is required. Or we will understand it. If I do 1 cut, if I do 2 cut. What is one answer? 1 plus 3 plus 4, which is nothing but 8. Are you all with me? If I do 1 cut instead of this one, if I do 1 cut here, 1 plus 5 plus 1, which is again 8. That means if 8 balls are there in a number line, there are 7 gaps. If there are 7 gaps, selecting any 2, I will get one solution. I hope it is clear. 7C2. NC2 is n into n minus 1 by 2. 7C2 is 7 into 6 by 2, which is nothing but 21. Answer for this question is 21. I hope the idea is clear. I hope the options are right. In the previous question, A plus B equivalent to 49. Sai, A and B, how many values in unordered pair? Unordered pair it is 1. Ordered pair it is 2. Unordered pair it is 1. Question is in unordered pair. Like you rightly said, if it is an ordered pair, reverse is also possible. Answer is 2. Answer is 2. Right? I hope it is clear. Answer is 2. Right? If it is an unordered pair, it is 1. If it is an ordered pair, it is 2. Right? Now, out of 8 balls present in a number line, there are 7 gaps, 7C2. What is more important is not the answer for me. Now see here, NC2 is n into n minus 1 by 2. 7C2 is 7 into 6 by 2. 7 is a prime number. Prime number cannot be decomposed further. 7C2, answer should be divisible by 7. Please make a note. Answer should be divisible by 7. Answer should be divisible by 7. 7C2 is 7 into 6 by 2, which is 21. 7 cannot be decomposed. A prime number cannot be decomposed. Answer should be divisible by 7. 21 is divisible by 7. For 3 variables, I hope why 2 cuts it is clear. Just visualize it. If 8 balls are there on a number line, there are 7 gaps. Out of 7 gaps, if I take any 2 gaps, I will get one solution. If I take any 2 gaps, I will get one solution. Eighth one. First we will see all the problems. A plus B plus C equivalent to 24. A, B, C are even natural numbers. A, B, C are even natural numbers. How many values A, B, C will take? How many values A, B, C will take? If it is an even number, A will be 2K1, B will be 2K2, C will be 2K3. So this is 2 into K1 plus K2 plus K3. It is nothing but 24. So K1 plus K2 plus K3, it is 12. If it is 12, answer is 11 gaps are there. For 3 variables, 2 cuts. What is important is not NC2 for me. Right, like that NC3, NC4, there can be any value. 11 into 10 by 2. So answer is 55. Now if you see these 11, these divisible by, it is a prime number. It cannot be decomposed further. Answer is divisible by 11. Answer is divisible by 11. I hope this idea is clear to you. Praveen? 8th one. I hope it is clear. 9th one. One more question. 9th one. A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C equivalent to 51. A, B, C are odd natural numbers. A, B, C are odd natural numbers. If they are odd natural numbers, how many values A, B, C can take? How many values A, B, C can take? Because we know when the variables are starting with 1, so it is 2K1 minus 1. Next is 2K2 minus 1. Next is 2K3 minus 1. So if I add it, 2 into K1 plus K2 plus K3 minus 3 equivalent to 51, 54. So K1 plus K2 plus K3, which is nothing but 27. 27 is nothing but 27 balls are there, 26 gaps, 26 C2. Again, this is what is important is 26 into 25, 325. What is important for me is this 26, which is 2 into 13. Answer: 13 is a prime number. It should be divisible by 13. Play with the answer options. Play with the answer options. 26C2 is 26 into 25 by 2. Answer is 325. Ninth problem, I hope it is clear. 10th one. We will keep on solving variety of questions in our class. 26C2, P&C method of doing the integral solutions for the linear equations. A plus B plus 2C equivalent to 12. ABC greater than or equivalent to 1. How many values ABC can take? How many values ABC can take? A plus B plus 2C equivalent to 12. C cannot be 0 because it is starting with 1. C can be 2. C can be 3. C can be 4. C can be 5. C cannot be 6 because A plus B will become 0. If C is 1, A plus B will become 10. 10 is nothing but 9C1. If A plus B is 2, A plus B will become 12 minus 4, 8. This is nothing but 7C1. This is nothing but, what you can see here is, coefficient of C is 2. Every time there is a decrease of 2. 9, 9C1 minus 2, 7C1, 5C1, 3C1. Next it is nothing but 1C1, which is nothing but A plus B equivalent to 2. This is nothing but A plus B equivalent to 4. This is nothing but A plus B equivalent to 6. So add all the values. Sum 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Right? How many values ABC will take? 25. Very easy if you start listening to the classes, sir. Linear equations, integral solution, some more deep right understanding of this concept. 10th one. Then 11th one. 12 less than A plus B plus C plus D less than 30. A, B, C, D are greater than or equivalent to 1 and are natural numbers. How many values A, B, C, D will take? How many values? Lowest. A, B, C, D. Lowest is 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And it goes on up to 29. And it goes on up to 29. This is for this equation. First, 4 to less than 29 is 29. So this is nothing but total minus which all values we require. We will write down that values also, which is 10, 11, 12, 13, which is nothing but 13 to 29. This value we require. So which is nothing but A plus B plus C plus D less than 30 minus of A plus B plus C plus D. I want from till 12 onwards. That means it is less than 13. Introduce a dummy variable. Replace less than and equivalent to 30 minus of, replace these less than and equate with dummy variable equivalent to 13, which is 29C4 minus 12C4. 29C4 minus 12C4. I hope, Chandu, you understood where is the calculation mistake for you. Right? I hope this idea is clear to you. Next question. Please write down. Idea is clear? Next one. A plus B equivalent to 4. A is greater than or equivalent to 0. B is greater than or equivalent to 0. How many values AB will take? Right? Here the variables are starting from 0. Till now we did when the variables are starting with 1. So this is nothing but A plus B equivalent to 4. A is greater than or equivalent to 0. B is greater than or equivalent to 0. I know a method how to solve it when they are starting with 1. So what I will do is, I will take another variable, x is a plus 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, x is greater than or equivalent to 1, y is b plus 1, y is greater than or equivalent to 1. I am replacing with the domain of the variable from 0 to 1 because I know the shortcut how to find it if they are starting with 1. A is nothing but x minus 1, b is nothing but y minus 1, equivalent to 4, xy are greater than or equivalent to 1, x plus y equivalent to 6, xy are greater than or equivalent to 1. 6 means answer is 5C2, which is 10. Convert the domain of the variables from 0 to 1. Convert the domain of the variables from 0 to 1. Instead of a and b, I took another variable, x and y. I did a plus 1 and b plus 1. 0 plus 1, it will be 1. 0 plus 1, it will be 1. So a will be x minus 1. B will be y minus 1. X plus y is 6. If x plus y is 6, answer will be, 5C1. 5C1. Don't do calculation mistake like me. Answer is 5C1. Right? 5C1. Next one. I hope the ideas are clear. Next one. Method 2. 5C1. It is not 5C2. It is 5C1. Please make a note of it. Calculation mistake. 5C1. A, B, C, D separately it takes the values. Method 2. You don't need to do this one. A plus B equivalent to 4. Instead of introducing putting x and y, A is 0 and B is 1. How many values? We know how to solve the problems when it is starting with 1. I have to add 1 to it. 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 add it. 4 plus 2 is 6. So answer is 5C1. We know how to do it when they are starting with 1. So add 1, add 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 will be 5C1. 6 will be 5C1. A plus B plus C equivalent to 24. A greater than or equivalent to 0. B greater than or equivalent to 0. C greater than or equivalent to 0. If I want whole number solutions, whole number means it is starting from 0, but we know how to solve it when they are starting with 1. Add 1. 1, 1, 1. 24 plus 3, 27. Answer is 26C2. Answer is 26C2. Convert the 0 into 1. We did it by using variables. You don't need to do the variables. You don't need to do the variables. Simply if it is 0, 0, add 1. 0, 0, 0, add 1, 1, 1. 24 plus 3, 27. Answer is 26C2. Next question. A plus B plus C plus D equivalent to 24. A, B, C, D greater than or equivalent to 0. Greater than or equivalent to 0. Every value is starting with 0. I need 1. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 4 is added. 24 plus 4, 28. Answer is 27C3. I hope it is very clear to you. If it is 0, add 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Right? Suppose if it is A1, A2 and so on, A9, it is 51. A1, A2 and so on, AN. They are all greater than or equivalent to 0. If it is greater than or equivalent to 0, every time I have to add 1, 1, 1, 1. 9 times 1 is added. 51 plus 9, 60. So answer is 59C8. Answer is 59C8. I hope it is clear. If it is 0, convert into 1. 1 means the method is clear. Number of balls, number of gaps and number of cuts. Simple, very easy. There is no multinomial theorem required here. Next one. A plus B plus C less than or equivalent to 12. Less than or equivalent to 12. A, B, C greater than or equivalent to 1. A, B, C greater than or equivalent to 1. A plus B plus C less than or equivalent to 12. Solution. These are nothing but less than or equivalent to. That means A plus B plus C can take 12. If it takes 12, D value will be 0. Are you all with me? D is greater than or equivalent to 0. 0 means you have to add plus 1. So 12 plus 1, 13. 13 will be 12C3. Idea clear? It is before less than. It is equivalent to. That means A plus B plus C can take 12. If it takes 12, D value will be 0. If it takes 11, D value will be 1. If it takes 10, D value will be 2. So, the D value can start from 0. Next one. A plus B plus C plus D less than or equivalent to 34. A, B, C, D greater than A, B, C, D greater than or equivalent to 1. Because it is less than or equivalent to, what will be the answer? A plus B plus C plus D plus E equivalent to 34. So what will be the answer? 33C4. Answer is 33C4. Any doubts, kindly ask. I hope till here it is clear to you. Kindly reply in the live chat if these concepts are clear to you. Any doubts, now you can mention it in the live chat, because the next model is lightly on the advanced level. Slightly on the advanced level. You got any doubts, kindly specify. Linear equations, integral solutions, session 2. Linear equations, all are linear equations, sir. A plus B plus C equivalent to 12. A greater than or equivalent to minus 2. B greater than or equivalent to minus 3. C greater than or equivalent to 2. Integral solutions. They are not starting from 1 or 0. We have to find the integral solutions. A plus B plus C equivalent to 12. A greater than or equivalent to minus 2, B greater than or equivalent to minus 3, C greater than or equivalent to 2. Nothing you do, sir. Make everything start with 1. I have to add 3. I have to add 4. I have to subtract 1. 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 is added. 18. If 18 balls are there, there are 17 gaps. Answer is 17C0. 17C2. Right? 17C0. Next question. A plus B plus C plus D equivalent to 30. A greater than or equivalent to minus 5. B greater than or equivalent to minus 4. C greater than or equivalent to minus 2. D is 5 and E is 4. E is 4. How many integral solutions exist for this equation? D is nothing but plus 6. D is nothing but plus 5. D is nothing but plus 3. D is nothing but minus 4. D is nothing but minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 cancel. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 minus 4, 7. 30 plus 7, 37. 37 means 36C3. The question is integral solutions. Jayant, I am not clear, beta. Please take a screenshot of your doubt and ask me. Priya, you are also. If there is any calculation mistake, please take care. I told you repeatedly, don't worry too much about the calculation mistakes which I do. Please take care. I hope you got any doubt in the concept, you can ask me. Is it clear? Next one. Find the number of integral solutions. Find the number of integral solutions for the following. Find the number of integral solutions for the following. First question. Mod x plus mod y equivalent to 8. Second question. Mod x plus mod y plus mod z equivalent to 6. Third one. Mod x plus mod y plus mod z equivalent to 10. I am not responsible if you tell me after explaining that this is like watching a Savaria movie. It is a bouncer to me. I hope you will be confident to face the bouncing balls also. Find the number of integral solutions for the following. Mod x plus mod y equivalent to 8. Mod x plus mod y plus mod z equivalent to 6. Mod x plus mod y plus mod z equivalent to 10. First problem, please write down. First one, 3 problems. I hope I'll explain so neatly that you will not get any doubt. Mod x plus mod y equivalent to 8. First, modulus function. Modulus function always returns a positive value. Always returns a positive value. Please don't write it, sir. Please don't write. Just listen. Modulus function always returns a positive value. Mod of 5 is 5. Mod of minus 5 is also 5. Mod of minus 5 is also 5. If something is there inside the modulus, it will ignore the sign. It will take only the positive value. Mod 5 is 5, mod of minus 5 is 5. Case 1. Case 1. None of x comma y is 0. If x comma y, if it is not 0, I am not taking x 0 or y 0. This is nothing but mod x plus mod y equivalent to 8. Modulus always returns a positive value. X plus y equivalent to 8. 8, what will be the answer? 7c1. None of x comma y is 0. That means x comma y will take greater than or equivalent to 1. 7c1. From where we got these x? Inside it can be plus x. Inside it can be minus x. Are you all with me? From where we got these y? Inside it can be y or inside it can be minus y. Mod of y is y. Mod of minus y is 5. 2 into 2. 7c1 into 2 into 2. These are nothing but the values. These are nothing but mod of x and mod of minus x. This is mod of y and mod of minus y. 7c1 into 2 into 2. 4 7s are 28 values. 28 values are none of x comma y is 0. In case if you want to know what are that values, 1 plus 7 is 8. Plus or minus 1 plus or minus 7. Put modulus. 4 cases I will get. 1 plus 7 is 8. 1 plus mod of minus 7 is 7. 2 and 6 8. Plus or minus. Plus or minus. Similarly, 3 and 5. Plus or minus. Plus or minus. Plus or minus. 4 and 4. Plus or minus. Plus or minus. And so on up to. So here it is 4 cases. Here it is 4 cases. Here it is 4 cases. 4, 4, 4, 12. Here it is 4, 16. 1 comma 7 reverse 4 cases. 2 comma 6 reverse 4 cases. 3 comma 5 reverse 4 cases. So totally it will give you with reverse 8 cases, 8 cases, 8 cases, 4 cases. 8 3s are 24 plus 4, 28. This is the case number 1. None of x comma y is 0. Case number 2. Till I solve all the models, please don't ask me any doubt. Case 2. Case 2. Mod x plus mod y equivalent to 8. Case 1. X comma y not equivalent to 0. 7c1 into 2 into 2. Or case 2. Let x equivalent to 0. X equivalent to 0 is mod y is 8. That means y is 8 or minus 8. 2 cases. Similarly, next case, y equivalent to 0, mod x equivalent to 8. X is 8 or minus 8. 2 into 2, 4. So r means plus. Answer is 7c1 into 2 into 2 plus 4. Answer is 32. First thing, x comma y is not equivalent to 0. If x comma y is not equivalent to 0, if modulus is not present, this will become x plus y equivalent to 8. X plus y equivalent to 8 is 7c1. Modulus means inside plus, inside minus. Modulus means inside plus, inside minus. 7c1 into 4 is 28. If x is 0, mod y is 8, y will be 8 or minus 8. Similarly, if y is 0, x is 8 or minus 8. 2 into 2. 4, 32. Answer is nothing but 32 cases. I will make it very, very easy for you. But once you understand the concept, mod x plus mod y equivalent to 12. How many integral solutions are there? Case 1. X comma y not equivalent to 0. So if it is x plus y equivalent to 12, answer will be 11c1. X is in bracket x in bracket minus x. In bracket y in bracket minus y. Case 2. If x is 0, mod y is 12. I got two cases. What are the two cases? Y is 12, y is minus 12. If y is 0, mod x is 12, x is 12, x is minus 12. 4 cases. So 11 into 12 into 2. 4 11s are 44. Our condition is plus. 44 plus 4, 48. Case 1 or case 2. X and y can be 0 or x and y cannot be 0. I hope it is clear to you. Case 1, xy not equivalent to 0. Let x equivalent to 0, let y equivalent to 0. Let x equivalent to 0, let y equivalent to 0. 44 plus 4. You don't do anything, sir. Simple, straightforward. I will tell you in modulus. Mod x plus mod y equivalent to k. Number of integral solution is 4 into k. Directly multiply right hand side with 4. Directly multiply right hand side with 4. What is 4 into 12? Which is 48. Directly you will get the answer. Mod x plus mod y equivalent to k. Answer is 4k. 4 into 12 is 48. 4 into 12 is 48. Directly you can do it. Directly you can do it. Sir, from where we got this? Now see here, sir. I got 11c1 into 4. Next also I got 4. 4 if I take common, 11 plus 1, 12. 12 is nothing but the number. 4 into k. Mod x plus mod y equivalent to k. Integral solutions is 4 into k. So, mod x plus mod y equivalent to 20. Number of integral solutions. Number of integral solutions. 4 into 20, 80. Mod x plus mod y equivalent to 20. 4 into 20, 80. Similarly, if the question is mod x plus mod y less than 6. Mod x plus mod y less than 6. Less than 6 means either it can take 5 or it can take 4 or it can take 3 or it can take 1 or it can take 0. Modulus never gives a negative value. So 5 means what will be the answer? 20. 4 is nothing but 16. 3 is nothing but 12. 2 is nothing but 8. 1 is nothing but 4. 0 is nothing but 1. So 4 plus 8, 12, 24, 40, 60. Answer is 61. Answer is 61. 36, 48, 56, 60, 61. I hope the idea is clear. If you know for equivalent to, you can do not only for less than, but also for less than or equivalent to. Very easy question if you know it. Next one. Next one. Mod x plus mod y less than or equivalent to 8. Less than or equivalent to 8 is 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 8 is nothing but 32. 32. So that means just by looking at the question you can say 4, 2, 8 and so on up to 32 plus 1 I will get. Sn, the series is in AP. If the series is in AP, sum of n terms is n by 2 into first term plus last term plus 1. N is total 8 terms are there. 8 by 2 into 36 plus 1. Answer is 145. I hope this is clear to you. Kindly reply in the live chat if this modulus integral solution is clear to you. 8765432 8 is 32, 7 is 28, 6 is 24, 5 is 20. 4 is 16, 3 is 12, 2 is 8, 1 is 4. 4 plus 8 and so on up to 32 plus 1. I hope the idea is clear. Kindly reply, sir, everybody. Then I am going into the next level concept. Not a single question in linear equations which came in any exam will not be left in my class. You know that Staff Selection Commission students, 2017 was a shocker to you because there are good number of CAT questions that came. Right? So if we will take a topic, we will cover everything that comes in that topic so that you are extremely well prepared. Another model, find the number of integral solutions for xyz where xyz are natural numbers such that right, x plus y plus z equivalent to 15. Find the number of integral solutions for xyz are natural numbers such that x plus y plus z equivalent to 15. First case, x equivalent to y equivalent to z. Second case, x is greater than y is greater than z. Third case, x is less than y less than z. Second case, x equivalent to y not equivalent to z. Please write down. Find the number of integral solutions for x plus y plus z equivalent to 15 such that all the three variables are equal, variables are in ascending order, variables are in descending order, and two variables are equal. That means this is a case where two variables are equal. This is a derivative out of the case where two variables are equal, three variables are unequal, three variables are unequal, all the three variables are equal. All the three variables are equal. Three cases. All the three variables are equal, three variables are unequal, and two variables are equal. Listen carefully. X, Y, Z are natural numbers, so I require positive integral solutions. Positive integral solutions. Now, listen carefully to the solutions, sir. X plus Y plus Z equivalent to 15. X, Y, Z are greater than or equivalent to 1. X, Y, Z are natural numbers. Total number of positive integral solutions. Total number of positive integral solutions will be 15 variables are there. So 15 balls, 14 gaps. 14 into 13 by 2, which is nothing but 91. Total number of positive integral solutions are 91. In that one, three cases. All the three variables are equal. All the three variables are equal. If all the three variables are equal, x equivalent to y equivalent to z. So answer is 5, 5, 5, which is nothing but one case. All the three variables are equal, x equivalent to y equivalent to z, so it is one case. Two variables are equal, two variables are equal. If I take two variables are equal, listen carefully, if let us say two variables are equal, let x equivalent to y. So these is nothing but 2x plus z equivalent to 15. 2x plus z equivalent to 15. 1 is a factor of 2 is not a factor. 15 by 2, 7.5. I will get 7 cases. But in that 7 case, there is a case. What is that case? See here. The case is x and y. X is 1. 2 ones are 2. Z is 13. X is 2. 2 twos are 4. It is 11. X is 3. 2 threes are 6. Z is 9. X is 4. 2 fours are 8. 7. 2 fives are 10. Again it is 5. In that 7 cases there is a case 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. But all the 3 variables are equal. We have taken that case. So that one case is eliminated. 7 minus 1 is 6 cases. 6 cases. X equivalent to y 6 cases. Y equivalent to z 6 cases. Z equivalent to x 6 cases. 6 into 3, 18. Again listen sir. X plus y plus z equivalent to 15. Total number of positive integral solutions are 14C2. 14 into 13 by 2, which is nothing but 91. Which is nothing but 91. In that 91 solutions, all the 3 variables are equal. X equivalent to y equivalent to z, so it is 5, 5, 5. If 2 variables are equal, if x equivalent to y, 2x plus z equivalent to 15. Coefficient of z 1 is a factor of 15. 15 by 2 is 7.5. If one of them is a factor, it is 7. But I am decreasing one case. What is that case? When all are equal. 7 minus 1 is 6. X equivalent to y, y equivalent to z, z equivalent to x. 6 3s are 18. That means no variables are equal. If no variables are equal, how much it will be? 91 minus of 18 plus 1. 91 minus 19 is 72. 91 minus 19 is 72. Listen carefully, sir. So total there are 72 cases where no variables are equal. But we do not require no variables are equal. There is a condition that we will see. I hope it is clear, right? 91, 1 and 18. What is these 72 cases? If x plus y plus z equivalent to 15, no variables are equal. If no variables are equal, I got 72 cases. 72 cases. That cases are nothing but x less than y less than z, x less than y greater than z, x greater than y less than z, y less than z less than x, y less than z greater than x, z less than x less than y. Are you with me? 3 variables can arrange among themselves in 6 ways. 3 numbers can be arranged in 3 factorial 6 ways. So x less than y less than z. Where is x greater than y greater than z, x greater than y greater than z. We will write 2 cases here otherwise. X less than y greater than z. Right? So these are nothing but 3 numbers can be arranged in 3 factorial 6 cases. So 72 by 6, which is nothing but 12 cases. There are 12 cases where x is less than y is less than z. X is greater than y is greater than z. They are also 72 by 6, 12 cases. I hope you got the idea. Total 72 cases are there where no variables are equal. If no variables are equal, x, y, z can be arranged in 3 factorial 6 cases. What are that 6 cases? X, y, z, x, z, y, y, z, x, y, x, z, z, x, y, z, y, x, z, y, x. x less than y less than z. One case out of 6 cases. 1 by 6 into 72, which is 12 cases. Z greater than y greater than x. One case out of 6 cases into 72. Answer is 12 cases. I hope it is clear. X plus y plus z equivalent to 15. X plus y plus z equivalent to 15. 15. Answer is 12 cases we got. Is it clear? Is it clear? Any doubt in this one? I hope it is clear, or you can solve it in another way. Let us see the another way. X plus y plus z equivalent to 15. First case, x is less than y is less than z. X is less than y means y is x plus a. A is greater than or equivalent to 1. Y is less than z. That means z is y plus b. B is greater than or equivalent to 1. X is less than y means y is greater than x. Difference between the natural numbers will be 1. So this is nothing but x plus y is nothing but x plus a. Z is nothing but y plus b equivalent to 15. So this is nothing but 2x plus a. Y is x plus a plus b equivalent to 15. So 3x plus 2a plus b equivalent to 15. I hope the idea is clear. 2a plus b plus 3x equivalent to 15. X is 1, x is 2, x is 3, x is 4. X cannot be 5. 2a plus b will become 0. X is 1. 2a plus b is nothing but 12. 2a plus b is nothing but 12. So both of them are coefficients or factors of constant. 12 by 2 is 6. So this is 7 and it is 5. 5 cases here. X is 2. 2a plus b equivalent to 9. 9 is nothing but 9 by 2, 4 point, another is 4. I hope the idea is clear. 2a plus b is nothing but 3, 6. 6 by 2, which is 3. 3 is 4 and 2. So again here it is 2 cases. 3a plus x is 4. If x is 4, 2a plus b equivalent to 3. A is 1 and B is 1. So here it is 1 case. So calculate it. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. This is method 2. This is method 2. I hope it is clear. I will solve as many problems as possible so that it will be clear to you. X is less than y is less than z. X less than y. That means y is greater than x. Minimum value of a is 1, y is x plus a, y is less than z, z equivalent to y plus b, b is greater than or equivalent to 1. So x plus y is x plus a, z is y plus b is 15, x plus x is 2x, y is x plus a, 2x plus x is 3x, 3x plus 2a plus b is 15. So x is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we know the method of k by a into b. You can use that method to get the answer. I hope the idea is clear. I will do one more problem so that it will be crystal clear to you. Both of them 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 1, 12. I hope the idea is clear. One more question. Please write down, sir. X plus y plus z equivalent to 12. X, y, z are natural numbers. X, y, z are greater than or equivalent to 1. How many values it will satisfy? All the 3 conditions we will solve. All 3 variables are equal. All 3 variables are equal. So this is x equivalent to y equivalent to z. 3x equivalent to 12. X is 4, y is 4, z is 4. All the 3 variables are equal. Next one. 2 variables are equal. 2 variables are equal. If 2 variables are equal means let x equivalent to y. 2x plus z equivalent to 12. 2x plus z equivalent to 12. Cases also we will write down here. If x is 1, z is 10. 10 to decrease 8, 6, 4, 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This case we should not take, because if x is 4, z is 4, y also will become 4. All three cases we have already taken. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 4 cases. X equivalent to y, y equivalent to z, z equivalent to x. 4 into 3. So this is nothing but 12 is nothing but 11C2. 11 into 10 by 2, which is nothing but 55. 55 minus of, what is this case? No 3 variables are equal. No 3 variables are equal. If no 3 variables are equal, 55 minus of 12 plus 1. 55 minus 13, which is 42. 42 cases are there when no 3 variables are equal. 42 cases are there when no 3 variables are equal. So if x is less than y less than z, 42 into 1 by 6. 7 cases I will get. 7 cases I will get. Is this idea clear to you? All the 3 variables are equal, 2 variables are equal, and no 3 variables are equal. Kindly reply in the live chat in case if it is clear to you. All 3 variables are equal, 2 variables are equal, and no 3 variables are equal. And no 3 variables are equal. All 3 variables equal, 2 variables are equal, and no 3 variables are equal. 42. yi divided by z, no 3 variables are equal means x less than y less than z, x less than y greater than z, y less than z less than x, like that 6 cases I will get. Depending upon the question, you use it. I hope it is clear to you. If this is a multiple of 3, what if it is not a multiple of 3? Write down the next question. Write down the next question. X plus y plus z equivalent to 43. X, y, z are natural numbers. X, y, z are natural numbers. X, y, z greater than or equivalent to 1. X plus y plus z is 43. X, y, z greater than or equivalent to 1. Now, again 3 cases. Again 3 cases. All 3 variables are equal. All 3 variables are equal. So, if I say let x equivalent to y equivalent to z, 3x equivalent to 43, 3x is not equivalent to 43. So, no solution. 0 here. Second case, 2 variables are equal. If 2 variables are equal, let x equivalent to y. This will become 2x plus y equivalent to 43. So, one of them is a factor of constant 43 by 2, which is nothing but 21.5, which is 21. X, y, z are natural numbers. There is no case where all of them will be equal. So, 21 into 3. I hope it is clear, which is 63. 43 is nothing but 42C2. So, 42 into 41 divided by 2, which is nothing but 41 into 21, which is 851. 851. 21 fours are 861, I think. 861. So, 861 minus 63 divided by 3 factorial, which is nothing but 780, 800, 788, 798. 798 divided by 6. 133 values it will take. 133 values it will take. All the 3 variables are equal. 0. 2 variables are equal. 2x plus y 43. One of them is a factor of right hand side. 43 by 2. 21.5. Ignore the decimal. 21 into 3, 63. 63 we got. Total is 861. 861 minus 63, which is 798. y dividing by 6 if the case is x less than y less than z. If three variables are there, three variables are arranged like this: x, y, z, x, z, y, y, z, x, y, x, z, z, x, y, and z, y, x. If depending upon the question, I will do it. If x is less than y less than z, it is nothing but 1 by 6 of 798. If x is greater than y greater than z, z less than y less than, depending upon the condition imposed in the question, I will get 798 by 6, which is 133. Which is 133. All the three variables equal, two variables are equal. What is this third condition? No variables are equal. No variables are equal. Now listen carefully, sir. Today night 10 p.m. there will be no class. We are rescheduling the class to tomorrow 4 to 5:30. After my dinner, I wanted to do a checklist on all the edited files and whether it is structured properly or not. I wanted to sit for about 5 to 6 hours and do a complete revamping. All three variables are equal, two variables are equal, and no variables are equal. I hope it is clear. Next, another model. Another model. Key point. Key point. A plus b whole square, which is nothing but a square b power 0 2a power 1 b power 1 plus b square a power 0. Now if you observe, the nth term is given by NCR. Can I write it like this? A power x b power y. X plus y is nothing but 2 here. X is greater than or equivalent to 0. Y is greater than or equivalent to 0. Am I right? Sum of these powers should be equivalent to the power. Sum can also take 2. X plus y equivalent to 2. 0, 0, plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4. 4 is 3c1. 3c1 is nothing but 3, which is nothing but 3 distinct terms. Tn is nothing but NCR into a power x b power y. Sum of the powers is equivalent to the power. X plus y equivalent to 2. X greater than or equivalent to 0. Y greater than or equivalent to 0. Sum of the powers is 0. So add 1, 1. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 means it is nothing but 3. 3c1. 3 is nothing but the number of distinct terms. Now please write down. These key point, please write down. Number of distinct terms. Number of distinct terms in any expansion. Number of distinct terms in any expansion is nothing but the total number of non-negative integral solutions for the powers of the variables. Please write down this point. Number of distinct terms in any expansion is nothing but, there are total 3 distinct terms. It is nothing but the total number of non-negative integral solution for the powers of the variables. Powers of the variables can also take 0, so it is non-negative. It is equivalent to the total number of non-negative integral solutions. I hope it is clear. First write down a question. It will be much more clear with a question. Much more clear with a question. Please write down. Much more clear with this. Find the number of question. Find the number of distinct terms. Find the number of distinct terms. Find the number of distinct terms in the below expansions. Find the number of terms in the below expansions. First one, a plus b plus c power 20. These number of terms in this expansion is how much? You don't need to do anything. First I will do method 1. Method 2 is direct answer. Method 2 is direct answer. Method 1. Now see, what is the generic term for this one? It is nothing but 20 CR a power x, b power y, c power z. Every non-negative integral solution will give a particular term. X plus y plus z equivalent to 20. So x is greater than or equivalent to 0, y is 0 and z is 0. So 20 plus 3, 23. Answer is 22C2. Every term will give you one non-integral value. That is what we wrote it. Number of distinct terms in the expansion is nothing but the total number of non-negative integral solution. Direct answer is 22C2. Power is 20. How many variables are there? 3 variables. 20 plus 3, 23. 23 balls are in a line. So answer is 22C2. Answer is 22C2. If 3 variables are there, power is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. 23, answer is 22C2. Answer is 22C2. I hope the idea is clear. 20 plus 3 is 23. So answer is 22C2. Idea clear? Next one. Few more questions. Now it will be very, very clear to you. Directly you can say the answer. A plus B plus C plus D power 12. Number of distinct terms. Number of distinct terms in these expansion. Number of distinct terms in these expansion. Method 1. Number of distinct terms is nothing but Tn is 12CR. A power x, b power y, c power z, d power w. Sum of this x plus y plus z plus w is nothing but 12. All are greater than or equivalent to 0. So answer is 12 plus 4, 16. Answer is 15C3. Answer is 15C3. You don't need to do anything. Direct answer, method 2. 12 4 variables are there. 12 plus 4, 16. Answer is 15C3. Answer is 15C3. Idea is clear, right? Kindly reply in the live chat if this is clear to you. I hope it is clear to you. So 12 plus 4, 16. Answer is 15C3. One more question. A1 plus A2 and so on up to A10 power 20. What will be the number of distinct terms? Number of distinct terms in these expansion. Number of distinct terms. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 is 29C9. Directly you will get the answer. Number of distinct term is 29C9. I hope the idea is clear. Number of distinct terms. Finding out, I hope the idea is clear. Next one. Next one. Find the number of positive integral solutions. Find the number of positive integral solutions. Find the number of positive integral solutions for the following. Find the number of positive integral solutions for the following. Listen carefully, sir. This is an advanced level, but you should be able to solve it in seconds if you know the idea. Find the number of positive integral solutions for the following. First one, xyz equivalent to 18. xyz equivalent to 18. Method 1, traditional method. Method 1, traditional method. Listen carefully, sir. Method 1. How students will solve this method. Then I will tell you Anil Nair's approach. 1 into 1 into 18, which is 18. 3 numbers are there. They can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. 1 identical, 2 numbers are there. 3 factorial. It is like this example. In how many ways can you arrange the letters of the word in madam? Madam, there are 5 letters, 5 factorial. M is 2 factorial. Again, A is 2 factorial. I hope it is clear. Next one, 1, 2, 9. 3 numbers can be arranged in 3 factorial. This is 3. This is 6. 3 numbers are arranged. 1, 3, 6. 3 factorial. Again 6. 2, 3, 3. 2 into 3 into 3 is 18. 3 factorial by 2 factorial, which is nothing but 3. Totally, how many cases we got? 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 3, 18. Answer is number of integral solutions for this equation xyz equivalent to 18 is 18. If you observe, all the factors of 18 are there in the bracket. 1 is a factor of 18, 2 is a factor of 18, 3 is a factor of 18, 6 is a factor of 18, 9 is a factor of 18, 18 is also a factor of 18. All the cases are there, but for 18 we can do it. What if it is 120? What if it is 2 power 6 into 3 power 4 into 5 square? If the number value increases, finding this is an extremely difficult task. So that is the reason. This is not the best method to solve the question. This is just a traditional method to tell you that answer is 18. Now Anil Nair's approach. Please write down. Now we will discuss the optimal method where you will get the answer in seconds. This is a traditional method. Writing all the factors of 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Combination should give you 18. Now, xyz equivalent to 18. xyz equivalent to 18. Now listen carefully, sir. Anil Nair's approach. How you should tackle this question. xyz is nothing but 18. 18 is 3 square into 2 power 1. 3 square into 2 power 1. Let the powers of x comma y comma z be a comma b comma c. Let the powers of x y z is a comma b comma c. Can I say that the powers of x y z should be equivalent to the power of 3, which is 2. These powers can also be 0. I will tell you why. First of all, let us take the case. 1, 1, 18. 1, 2, 9. 1, 3, 6. 2, 3, 3. Now, I am arranging the powers of 3 first. If I am arranging the power of 3, this is 3 power 1, this is 3 power 1, this 3 power 0. What is 1 plus 1? 2. It is equal. Can a value take 0? Yes. Suppose you see this. 1 to 9. This is 3 power 0. Only first arranging the powers of 3. This is 3 power 0. 9 is nothing but 3 square. Are you all with me? If the powers of x, y, z is a, b, c, the power sum should be equivalent to 2. Yes or no? 0 plus 1 plus 1, it is 2. 0 plus 0 plus 2, it is 2. Similarly, what is the next power? It should be equivalent to 1. Just check here. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 0. Sum of the powers is 1. Some power is also taking 0. 2 power 1, 2 power 0, 2 power 0. Sum is again 1. Answer over. If it is 0, 0, 0, I will add 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 means 4C2. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 means 3C2. 6C2 into 3C2 is nothing but 18. That means, please write down. Find the total number of non-negative integral solutions. Total number of non-negative integral solutions for ABC. Instead of doing the positive integral for xyz, I am doing the non-negative integral for the powers of xyz. If the powers of xyz is ABC, a will have some 3 power a, y will have some 3 power b, z will have some 3 power c. Can I say the sum of the powers? A plus b plus c is 2. Please see this. 2, 3, 3. 3 power 1, 3 power 1, 3 power 0. Sum of these powers is 2. Sum is also taking 0. A plus B plus C is 2. A0, B0, C0. 1, 1, 1, 2 plus 3 is 5, 4, C2. 1 plus 3 is 4, 3C2. 4C2 into 3C2. Right? Now, one more example which we will solve. Then it should be clear to you. Then it should be clear to you. It's an easy thing if you start analyzing the question. First one, XYZ is 45. 45 is 3 square into 5 power 1. Method 1. 1, 1, 45. 3 numbers arranged in 3 factorial by 2 factorial, which is 3. 1, 3, 15. 3 numbers arranged in 3 factorial, 6. 1, 5, 9, 5. 3 numbers arranged in 3 factorial, 6 case. What are the factors of 45? 45 factors are 1, 3, 9, 15, 3 into 2. 6 factors we should get. 45. And what is the another factor that is missing? 1, 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2, 5 power 0, 5 power 1, 5. So all the cases is taken. 1 is taken, 3 is taken, 9 is taken. Next case, 3, 3, 5. 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial, which is nothing but 3 cases. Next one, is there any other case? 15. 15 is 5, 3, 3. All the cases are taken, we will see. So according to this, we are getting the answer for 18. Method number 2. XYZ. Let these XYZ has got some powers. Powers of XYZ. Let me call it as ABC. Let me call it as ABC. So what I am saying is the sum of the powers for X or Y or Z, it should be 2 or 1. What is these 2? 2 is nothing but for 3 square. If I take 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 1, this is ABC. Am I right? 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 1. Sum of the powers is 2. Where is 133? 133 is lying here. That means instead of doing the positive integral solution for XYZ, I am doing the non-negative integral solution. Why is non-negative? If I have to distribute 3 power 2 onto XYZ, in how many ways can you distribute 3 power 2 onto XYZ? Think logically. I will do this like this so that it will be much more effective. Now you tell me, in how many ways can 3 power 2 be distributed on XYZ? 3 power 2. Can I distribute it like this? 3 power 0, 3 power 0, 3 power 2. Can I distribute it like this? Am I right? Yes or no? This is nothing but. Is it clear? So 3 numbers, 3 factorial by 2 factorial, which is 3. 3 factorial by 2 factorial, it is nothing but 3. The powers can be 0, 1 or 2. Powers is A plus B plus C. Sum of the powers is 2. That sum of the powers can take 0. So 2 plus 3, 5. 4C2 is 6. Are you all with me? 3 power 2 can be distributed on XYZ as 3 power 0, 3 power 0, 3 power 2. Or 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 1. If you observe the powers, powers is nothing but sum is nothing but 2. Sum of the powers is nothing but 2. And the powers can also take 0. Powers can take 0. Power sum should be equivalent to this power. A plus B plus C is 2. ABC greater than or equivalent to 0. 2 plus 3 is 5. 4C2 is 6. That is for this number. Similarly, if I distribute the powers of 5 power 1, 5 power 0, 5 power 0, 5 power 1. Sum of the powers should be 1 and the powers can also take 0. So 1 plus into 3c1. 4c2 into 3c1 is 6 into 3, 18. I hope it is clear. One more question. One more question, or I will do in a simpler language. XYZ is 18. 18 is 3 square into 2 power 1. Direct solution is, how many variables are there? 2 plus, how many variables? 2 plus 3, 5. 5 means how many solutions? Positive integral 4c2. Power is 1. 1 plus, how many variables are there? 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 means 3c2. 4c2 into 3c2. 6 into 3 is 18. If XYZ is 2 power 4 into 3 square into 5 cube, how many positive integral solutions are there? How many positive integral solutions are there? 4. There are 3 variables. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 is 6c2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 4c2. 3 plus 3 is 6. 5c2. Answer is 6c2 into 4c2 into 5c2. Why we got these 4c2? Again I am explaining. 3 square should be distributed on XYZ. It can be 3 power 0, 3 power 0, 3 power 2, or 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 1. Power sum is nothing but equivalent to 2. Powers I am talking it as a plus b plus c. Power sum is equivalent to 2. Powers can also take 0. Powers can also take 0. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 is 4c2 into 3c2. I hope the logic is clear. Logic is clear. If 2 power 4 has to be distributed on XYZ, this is nothing but 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 cube. One way. What is the sum of this one? Sum of the powers is nothing but 4. Powers can also take 0. Powers can also take 0. So a plus b plus c is 4. Powers can also take 0. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 is 6c2. I hope the idea is clear to you. Please reply in the live chat if this idea is clear to you. Unnecessarily enumeration, you should not do it. Ananya, I hope it is clear to you. I hope it is clear to you. Few more questions. XYZ is 2 power 6 into 5 cube into 7 square into 11 power 1. How many positive integral solutions? How many positive integral solutions satisfy this question? 6 plus 3 is 9, which is 8c2. 3 plus 3 is 6, which is 5c2. 2 plus 3 is 5, 4c2. 1 plus 3 is 4, which is 3c2. Directly you will get the answer. Directly you will get the answer. XYZ is 360. 360 is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. What is answer? 3 plus 3, 6. 5c2. 2 plus 3, 5. 4c2. 1 plus 3, 4. 3c2. 5c2 into 4c2 into 3c2. Idea clear. Everybody start analyzing it. You will understand the beauty of this one, sir. There is no counting required, directly writing the answer. One more question. As many questions as possible. XYZW equivalent to 100. Positive integral solutions. Positive integral solutions. 100 is 2 square into 5 square. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 is 5c3. 2 plus 4 is 6, which is 5c3. Suppose if the question is XYZWP equivalent to 2 power 100. How many positive integral solutions? positive integral solutions. These are nothing but 100 plus 5, 105, 105, 104 C4. Idea clear. Positive integral solutions. How to write the answer? 100 plus 5, 105. 105 balls are there. So answer is 104 C4. Answer is 104 C4. Idea is clear here. Now another variety. XYZ equivalent to K. K is a factor of 144. K is a factor of 144. How many positive integral solutions? How many positive integral solutions satisfy these equation? Any number, if it is a factor of 44, 144 by P, P is greater than or equivalent to 0. If 144 is divided by a natural number, if P is a factor of 144, or I will do like this, why to make it mathematical? K is a factor of 144. If K is a factor of 144, method 1, what we will do is XYZ equivalent to 1, XYZ equivalent to 2, XYZ equivalent to 3, XYZ equivalent to 144. We will write like this. We will not use this method. Method 2 is, if XYZ is 1, if I substitute some random value, some dummy variable, I can get 144. W is definitely greater than or equivalent to 1. Am I right? If XYZ is 1, W is 144. If XYZ is 72, W is 2. So answer for this. Introduce a dummy variable. What we did it for less than, same thing we can do it for things. Or in other words, K is a 140, factor of 144 is, K is of the form 144 by W. 144 is 2 power 4 into 3 square. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 is 7C3. 2 plus 4 is 6. It is 5C3. Answer is 7C3 into 5C3. I hope the idea is clear. What is W? W is some natural number. W is some natural number. On multiplying, I will get 144. If XYZ is 1, W is 144. If XYZ is 72, W is 2. If XYZ is 36, W is 4. W is the natural number. On multiplying this, I will get 144. Or any factor of 144 can be written as 144 by something. I hope the idea is clear. Next one. XYZ is 3K. K is a factor of 360. K is a factor of 360. So if it is a factor of 360, this is nothing but 360 by W. So XYZ W equivalent to 360, which is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 is 6C3. 2 plus 4, 6. 5C3. 1 plus 4, 5. 4C3. Direct answer. 6C3 into 5C3 into 4C3. I hope the idea is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat if the idea is clear to you. I hope the idea is clear. XYZ is K. K is a factor of 360. Any factor of 360 is of the form 360 by W. So XYZ W is 360. 360 is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 is 6C3. 2 plus 4, 6. 5C3. 1 plus 4, 5. 4C3. 6C3 into 5C3 into 4C3. Everybody clear? Toughest questions which you can solve it very easily. Now, another one. Find the number of integral solutions. Find the number of integral solutions for the following. Find the number of integral solutions for the following. Find the number of integral solution. Previous question is positive integral solution. XYZ equivalent to 18. Two steps. Two steps solution. Solution 1. Step number 1. Step number 1. Step number 1 is values which we found out. Step 1, values. What is the values we got? XYZ is 18. 3 square into 2 power 1. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 means 4C2. 1 plus 3, 4. 3C2. These are the values which we got. Step 2 is signs. Because it is integer, we have to take signs. Positive into positive into positive, it is positive. 18 is positive. Negative into positive, it is positive. 3 signs are there, 2 signs are common, it is 3. 1 plus 3, 4. So answer is 4C2 into 3C1 into 4. 4C2 into 3C1 into 4. Why? Because this may not be one value. It may not be 18. It could be minus 1 18. It could be 1 minus 1 minus 18. It could be, I hope it is clear, minus 1 minus 18. For every value, there are 4 choices that will come. So 4C2 into 3C2, 6 into 3, 18, 18 into 4, answer is 72. I hope it is clear. Step number 1 is value. Step number 2 is signs, because the question is integral solution. Question is integral solution. Question is integral solution. 4C2 into 3C2 or 3C1, both are same, sir. NC1. Next, two more questions, so that you will get an idea. Toughest question, solved it very easily. XYZW is 360. 360 is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Find the number of integral solutions. Find the number of integral solutions. Integral solutions. Again, 2 steps solution. Step number 1, value. If I take value 3 plus 4, 7. 7 is 6C3. 2 plus 4, 6. 5C3. 1 plus 4, 5. 4C3. 6C3 into 5C3 into 4C3. Step number 2 is signs. When all of them will be positive, 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 one case. Negative, 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 negative. Even number of signs should be there. Then only I will get positive, one way. Negative, negative, positive, positive. It is 4 factorial by 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 6. So answer for this question is 6C3 into 5C3 into 4C3 into 8. Any doubts, kindly ask me. Any doubts, kindly ask me. It is integral solution. So I should get value and I should get sign. Positive, 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 1. Negative, 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 negative. It is also 1. Negative, negative, positive, positive. 4C2, which is 6. 6 plus 1 is 8. 6C3 into 5C3 into 4C3 into 8. This is the answer. I hope the idea is crystal clear to you. One more question. Last question. xyz equivalent to k. K is a factor of 50. K is a factor of 50. Find the number of integral solutions. Find the number of integral solutions. Find the number of integral solutions. So this is nothing but xyz w equivalent to 50. 50 is 5 square into 2 power 1. Directly we will write the answer in seconds. 2 plus 4 is 6, which is 5c3. 1 plus 4 is 5, which is 4c3 into 8. 5c3 into 4c3 into 8. Everybody kindly reply in the live chat if this is clear to you. Is this clear to you? 2 plus 4, 6, 5c3. 1 plus 4, 5, 4c3 into 8. From 8 from where we got? Because it is an integral solution. Positive, 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 positive. Negative, 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 negative. Negative, negative, positive, positive. Here I will get 4 factorial by 2 factorial, 2 factorial. 6 case, 1 case, 1 case. 6 plus 1 plus 1, it is 8. 5c3 into 4c3 into 8. Everybody kindly reply in the live chat if these advanced level problems are clear to you. What people will take some minutes to solve. If you revise it, you can do some seconds to solve. With this integral solution for the PNC method, all the varieties are over. Now we will solve the exercise in 5 minutes. Now see here. This question, x plus y equivalent to 9c1, 9. Already we solved it. A plus b plus c, 24. ABC greater than or equivalent to 1, 23c2. Already we solved it. ABC are odd natural numbers. If it is odd natural number, A is odd, B is odd, and C is odd. Odd plus odd, even. Even plus odd, it is odd. Answer should be odd. So no value. No value for ABC, it is possible. I hope it is clear, something which we will do it very fast because we have discussed. It is positive multiples of 4. 4 into k1 plus k2 plus k3, it is 56. k1 plus k2 plus k3, which is 14. Answer is 13c2. A plus b plus c less than 12. Add a dummy variable plus d equivalent to 12. Plus d equivalent to 12. This model also we discussed, 11c3. This model also we discussed, 12 less than a plus b plus c less than. What is that? A plus b plus c less than 20 minus of a plus b plus c less than 13. I hope it is clear. So plus d, which is nothing but 19c3. Plus d, which is nothing but 12c3. This model also we covered in the class. Please revise it. This model also we covered. W plus b is 8. X plus y plus z is 7. W plus p is 8. So it is nothing but 6c2 into 7c1. This model also we covered. G and H. Now I. See the question number I. Question number I. All these models we solved it in the class. This is nothing but a plus b plus c less than 35 minus of a plus b plus c less than 15. This model also we covered. Problem number I. 2z plus 3y plus 6z equivalent to 144. Even number, even number, even number. Y should be an even number. Multiple of 3, multiple of 3, multiple of 3. Z should be a multiple of 3. So this is 6 into a plus b plus z is 144. A plus b plus z is 24. Answer is 23c2. Answer is 23c2. G, H and I. This model also we covered in an integral solutions session 1. This model we covered. These 32. This model we covered. This model we covered. We covered this one. We covered this one. We covered this model. A, B, C greater than or equivalent to 3. 3 means what we have to do? We have to subtract 2, 2, 2, 2, minus 6. 24 minus 6 is 18. 17 C2. 2 means minus 1. Minus 3 is 4. 2 is minus 1. 17 plus 4, 21, which is 20 C3. Next one, number of ways of distributing 25 fruits among 5 people. There are 5 people, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, which is nothing but 25. No one receives less than 3/4. That means everybody receives greater than or equivalent to 3. 3 means minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 10, 15. Answer is nothing but 14C4. Already we solved this question in our class. Right? Difficult questions can be converted into easy one-liners. Right? Now, number of ways in which an examiner can assign 30 marks to 8 questions. There are 8 questions are there. 30 marks has to be assigned, giving not less than 3. A1, A2 till A8 greater than or equivalent to 3. That means minus 2 we have to do. 8 2s are 16. 30 minus 16 is 14. 14 is 13C7. 30C7. No calculation required. Bang on, you will get this answer. Bang on, you will get this answer. How many 3-digit numbers are there whose sum of the digits is 7? This model also we covered. Leftmost is cannot be 0. Rightmost be 0 and C 0. So it is plus 1 plus 1. 7 plus 2, 9. Answer is 8C2. This model also we covered. This model we will cover tomorrow from 4 to 5:30. Tomorrow there will be a session number 3, which is a little more advanced. This, in how many ways can I distribute 9 identical boxes in 3? In 3 distinct boxes, 9. So answer is AC2, such that no box is empty. That means each and everybody should start from 1. A shelf contains 4 separate compartments, A1, A2, A3 and A4. 12 marbles out. No compartment is empty. So A1, A2, A3, A4 greater than or equivalent to 1. Answer is 11C3. Easy question, sir. In how many ways can this equation x plus, already we solved this question, x less than y less than z. At the beginning of the class we solved it. We got 12 as the answer, unequal. 2 variables are equal. These also we solved it. 2 variables are equal when the right hand side is an odd number. These also we solved it. Now this a plus b plus c plus d plus e is 24. Case 1. A plus b equivalent to 5. If natural numbers, a is 1, b is 4. A plus e is 7, a is 1, e is 6. So c plus d will become 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 6, 11. 11 means this will become 13. If a is 2, b will become 3, e will become 5. C plus d will become 5 plus 5, 10, which will become 14. If a is 3, b will become 2, a is 3, e will become 4. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 means it is 15. If a is 4, b is 1, e is 3, 7, 8, it will become 16. A5 it is not possible. So C plus D 13, what are all the values that are possible? 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 15. Because it's an OR case. A1 or A2 or A3 or A4. Idea clear? A1, A2, A3, A4. Why A cannot be 5? If A is 5, B value will be 0. B cannot be 0 because it's a natural number solution. Once you understand all these models, this tomorrow 4 o'clock we are discussing. 4 o'clock we are discussing. 4 o'clock I think all this one 18 plus 3 21, 20 C2. 14 plus 5 19, 18 C4. This model we covered. Covered. So few models are there. Few more advanced level is there. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are few questions are there. Tomorrow class will be an extremely interesting class. Today 10 p.m. there is no class. Tomorrow schedule 4 to 5:30 p.m. 6:30 to 8 p.m. 9 to 10:30 p.m. Tomorrow we will try to complete linear equations. All the other models that are possible. I hope it is clear. Thanks a lot for attending all the classes. Khudafiz, Allah Hafiz.